Okay, this is going to be a Bonneville County, December 2022 market update. I've got a lot of info for you. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Cody Wohlschlegel, a realtor with CW Real Estate here in Idaho Falls. Starting off, I have a chart from March all the way up until December, so you can see our big increase in inventory that happened this spring and into the early summer. And then we've really balanced out since September. So here we are in December, but you can really see that the new listings in the last couple months and the closed are staying pretty close to the same, and that's kind of why our inventory is staying pretty steady. So comparing the November numbers to December numbers, we have 108 new listings, and then we have 90 in December, and then 111 closed from November, and then just 79 closed in December. And then we had 95 in November compared to 105 in December here. So that's quite a bit of an uptick. If this disparity continues between the new listings and the pending here, and then if the close reflects close to this in the next month, that is likely to drive our inventory down even further than it does right now. Okay, moving on into the percentage difference between some of the last numbers. So we had total active single family for right now is at 306 total listings. And then that is 12% lower than in November. New listings were 17% lower than November, and closed were actually 29% lower than November. So that's a big difference between last month. And then pendings are 11% higher than November. So that's the disparity I was speaking of before in the last slide. Our months of inventory has went to 3.9 based on the December numbers, which is a little bit more than we've seen the last couple months. But if we're still looking at the average over the last 4 months, we're still around that 2.9 that we've been in for the last 6 to 8 months. So I got some new data here. So new listings average price was $438,000, and then the median close price for December was $402,000, and then our days on market is right around 68 days, which is up from 53 days in November. So quite a big increase there in days on market. So what we're looking at is probably the seasonality of winter, things slowing down a little bit. That's likely to continue into the spring, but then the interest rates also could be having an effect on that as well. So there's a couple other things I wanted to focus on. Our inventory has decreased 22% since October, and buyer demand is, I believe, still there, but has been suppressed by the higher interest rates. If we see interest rates get to where they were just a few months ago, prices have continued to come down, so you're looking at a much more affordable market than just a few months ago. So that wraps up my December market update. Thanks for watching. I'll put my contact info on the screen down below. If you need anything, or if you're thinking about buying or selling, please reach out anytime. And check out my channel. I got tons of info about Idaho Falls and new construction property tour videos.